Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Changs here. I'm bringing y'all unboxing on the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. It's the creator combo. Was $669 plus taxes, so like around 700. Yeah. So this camera, just download the app. It has all the stuff right here included with the box. Let's see what it is. Rotatable screen, stereo recorder, and pocket sized. Yeah, let's get it unboxed. So I got it because this is gonna be the new camera since my camera is the phone. It's alright, but need a new camera. I think it comes with the app too, so you can download it. The stuff. Let's see what we got right here. Okay, manuals. We're gonna put that on the side. Little box, see what's up. Okay. Looks like we got the accessories in here. Okay. Oh, this is the protective cover, just to put the camera over it. It's pretty cool. Let me see if I can get some better lighting. Okay, there we go. Just protective over the camera. It's pretty cool. That was in that box. Let's see what we got in this one. Looks like this might be the carrying case. Yep. The DJI. I don't know if y'all can see that. DJI. Case is pretty small, and all it's pretty cool. Let's see what's up. Ooh, hell yeah. Damn, the camera's small. So there we got the camera right there. Rotate screen, power and off, shutter, power record, press 1 is power. So right there, it's just showing the instructions. What do we got right there? SD card. SD card, USB Type-C. Yep, USB Type-C. Then we got the little camera right here. It's pretty cool. Way smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Let's see what we got in here too. Yeah, let me know what kind of vlogs y'all want to see too. I'll be doing like fishing vlogs, food vlogs, just a bunch of different types of videos, but let me know what y'all want to see. So right here, it looks like we got a little battery for the bottom. Just goes right there. Make it more longer. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna add it just yet since I'm just unboxing everything in the box. And we got another thing right here. Not sure what it is. Oh, it's a little tripod. It's pretty cool. Put on the bottom. Yeah, put on the bottom of this one right here. Yeah, that's like a little mini tripod right there with the little battery, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, a little extra battery and tripod. It's pretty cool. Let's add it right here to see how it looks. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. See, we got the light turning on as it's charging. Got these little clips on the side so you can close it so it doesn't fall off. It's pretty cool. But We're gonna take that off. Oh. Yeah, I'll take that off. I'm not trying to break it right now, but let's see what else is in the box. Okay, also comes with the camera. I mean, not the camera, I'm tripping. The DJI mic. So this one's pretty cool. Connected, pair with the camera. Oof, that almost dropped. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm also be doing a separate review on it once I get the camera going and stuff. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, right here looks like we got it for the mic, for the audio. The little fluffy thing. Don't even know what it's called, but go with the little fluffy thing. Then we got a little USB Type-C to C. There's gonna be the charger for the camera. It's a bunch of things in here, guys. Let's see what else. This is the last thing. Okay, yeah, so I don't know what this one would be. I'm guessing just a little stand for the tripod right here too. Just add it, charge it in the front, put the little tripod on the bottom. This wouldn't be just added so you can get a little bit more grip on it. That's the one with the battery. Let me take that off. Then you press a little button as I was struggling. Just easy. Then I'll put this little bottom one right here. See how it looks. Look. Got the little bottom one right there. Camera. Let's take off the little screen. Wow, looks nice. Yep, sorry about that, guys. Let's see, let's do the first power on. Oh, that's pretty cool. English. I don't know if I can see that. So it's just showing us what language we want to put. Put English. We'll do that right here in a bit. But other than that, guys, it's gonna be the unboxing of the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. Do a separate video on about the camera too. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Peace.